Hey folks, how are you? Mark from Plumbing Mart here. We are on part 2 of the GeoHaus tour. So we're upstairs earlier. This is the back end of it here. This is their, I guess their showroom model, their demo model that they've built here in their factory. Now we're downstairs on the factory. This is a unit, as an example, that's roughed in. It's being used as storage right now. But here's some of their building materials. They've got great space up here in Vaughan, but here's how they start. So this is the frame of the units. It's all steel. Everything here is steel. So these things are incredibly strong. They're going to last forever. It's about the size of a container. These things, each module, they tell me, is 8 feet by 20 feet by 96 inches tall. Check them out. They're pretty cool. Isn't that neat? And even the floor joists, these are all steel. They're going to be all insulated, and then these all bolt together. So depending on what you want to build, what your needs for your family are, they'll sit down with their engineers and they'll design up a concept for you of different modulars that go together to create the finished product that you're looking for. So this is super cool. Look at this, eh? So there's lots of innovations in housing. It's an exciting time to be in this business. Things are changing. Home styles are changing. The market is changing. But something like this, I see being very beneficial to helping a young family get into the housing market. And if you've got a piece of property, you can put multiple units and multiple family dwellings on the same property. They tell me in some jurisdictions it's from 3 to 5. So these can go in, you might have an existing home, you could put 2 of these in your backyard. You got a large vacant piece of property, you could build a small community for your whole family. There's lots happening. So check it out, GeoHaus. Give us a call at Plumbing Mart. We're here to help. Kitchens, bathrooms, basements, home construction. Bye for now.